fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights integrations with insurance solutions, a TMS provider's new services, expanded truck parking via app, and more. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Spotter AI, a tech company that delivers back-end tools for trucking fleets and drivers, has updated its platform and expanded services. The Spotter Driver mobile app has been updated to give drivers quicker access to load information, notifications, and support. Major updates are also live for the Spotter CRM app, which is now fully integrated with Spotter TMS, helping recruiters and fleet teams manage candidates, track hiring progress, and close placements directly from their mobile devices with smart filters, fast search tools, and real-time updates. Expanded services include Spotter Lens and Spotter Extension. Spotter Lens is an online feature that provides free freight market analytics and rankings across the U.S. Spotter Extension features include click-to-email functionality, customizable templates, Gmail-linked correspondence tracking, AI-generated pricing analysis, load recommendations, advanced filtering, and one-click Google Maps integration for route planning. Waylens Inc. has become the first video telematics provider to license InsureVision's Vision Score, embedding the Fleet Risk Intelligence Company's native feature across Waylens' 150,000 camera install base in North America. Every Waylens fleet customer will now receive access to Vision Score, which applies end-to-end transformer AI directly to dashcam footage to deliver crash confirmation and first notice of loss notification within 7 minutes of an incident. AI-generated crash severity estimation and driver risk scoring that identifies high-risk drivers before a claim occurs, and the ability to enable Vision Score on a per-camera basis. TruckerPath, provider of a mobile app for North American truckers, is now offering its users the ability to reserve overnight and longer-term parking throughout the U.S. The app, which already provides access to free parking availability, now includes more than 50,000 reservable truck parking spots. TruckerPath said it will continue to grow the number of reservable locations until it achieves nationwide coverage. Geotab has rolled out new video coaching solutions for its GoFocus Plus dashcam to help fleets act on safety insights faster while reducing manual coaching effort. These are the key enhancements. Smart Rules, which allows fleets to set customized tiered escalation paths for repeat behaviors, automatically closing the loop with no manager review needed if the driver self-corrects. Speed sign detection, which correlates roadside speed limit signs with vehicle data via visual snapshots, ensuring alerts are accurate and grounded in real road conditions. Unified event analysis, which synchronizes road-facing and cabin footage with telematics data into a single comprehensive file for expedited incident review and exoneration. And Geotab video driver app improvements that give drivers direct access to their safety scores to encourage self-correction and professional development. Transportation-focused claims manager Akana Claims Management has partnered with SnapRefund to deploy its digital claims payment platform, ClaimSnap. The integration advances Akana's rapid response emergency site mitigation and risk management service and extends Akana's proprietary Peaceway cloud-based insurance administration and claims resolution platform. Through ClaimSnap, Akana's claimants pick their preferred payment method at the moment of disbursement rather than being routed into whichever rail the payer chooses. The platform handles rail selection, compliance, and settlement on the back end, so Akana's claims teams work from a single interface no matter how the claimant chooses to be paid. SnapRefund operates as the underlying payment infrastructure, while Akana retains full ownership of the client relationship. Freight management software provider Carrier Logistics Inc., or CLI, has integrated the CLI rate engine with FFE Transportation Services TMS to improve rating accuracy and enhance customer satisfaction. Chris Moore, Director of Pricing at FFE, a Lancaster, Texas temperature-controlled LTL transportation service provider, said the CLI rate engine has improved invoicing accuracy, reduced administrative time, and enhanced customer experience. The inefficiency of our rating engine was causing errors and delays, but after exploring options and choosing the CLI rate engine for integration with our mainframe-based TMS, we have streamlined processes in place, automating our rating for 99% of our customers, Moore said. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.